All right, finished making the 3 duplicate screens, and the old frames were viable, so I didn't waste them. I put new screens into these also. There's the old screen. I had to the frames were okay. Some of I had to bend a little. One of them, their cross member was like a linguine noodle, so I put a new one in over here. So yeah, here's the one. Here's the original, and here's the one that I made. Exact same width. Exact same length. Exact same plungers. The only difference is the original hardware, they have these funny little plastic pegs that you cannot buy. They don't sell them, but I get by with much better. Also, I use a stainless steel screw, never rusts, nothing ever happens to it. These guys break easily. They get crunchy in the sun. My stainless steel screws never do. The only difference from the original to mine is the original is a miter cut and mine is a square cut. So there's those. Same thing with all of those. These are identical matches to those screens, and there's no sense throwing away good viable existing frames. So I just put screens in there as an example of what the rest of the house could look like with high visibility, high durability. New screens. If you'd like to change the screens in the rest of the house, this is what they would look like. And here's the replacement ones that were ordered. The whole order is completed. I just finished them. Here's my whole array of tools I was using to cut and make all of the new pieces. Yeah, here's the shop where I just finished cutting and doing all of the metal. There's the new material that I used to make them all. It's the same framework as what comes from the factory. All right, the order's ready.